Good morning, students. Topic number 10, Getting to know India. Look at the map of India given below. Our country, rich of various rivers, mountains, plateaus, plain and iceland. The Indian subcontinent is surrounded by water on three sides and tapered toward the south. This part is called as Indian Peninsula. Our northern border is defined by the lofty Himalaya ranges. Our country has forest, plains, desert and marshy places. The expanse of our country is large. The height above sea level goes up to beyond 8,000 meters. Therefore, weather condition changes from region to region give rise to wide variety of plants, animal and birds. People of India is of many different castes, tribes and religions live in our country. Many different languages are spoken. We also see differences in food, clothing and festival and celebration in different region. The unity in diversity are seen in India. Various languages are spoken in various states and various festivals, various cultural activity are seen. In India, the crop in India, various crops are cultivated in India. The major crop in north is wheat. The major crop in south is rice. The major crop in central region is jawar. The coffee is grown in Kerala and Karnataka state. The cloves are grown in Tamil Nadu region. The apple is grown in Himachal Pradesh and the saffron is grown in Jammu and Kashmir. In India, various hills and the plateaus are present in various regions in India. India is a democratic republic. New Delhi is the capital of India and the Ganga is a major river in India, flows in north region and the Yamuna and Godavari are the major rivers. 29 states and 7 union territories are present in India. Maharashtra is a major state. In Maharashtra, Konkan lies in western region of Maharashtra. The Sahyadri ranges are start from western region and Kalsubai is a peak of western region mountain. The Lonar lake is present in Vidarbha. The Nagpur in Vidarbha are famous for oranges are grown in Nagpur. The mango are grown in Konkan region in Maharashtra. In India, in east there is 7 states are present. They are called as 7 sisters. They are called Meghalaya, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland and Manipur and Mizoram. Andaman and Nicobar are present in Bay of Bengal and the Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Delhi are one route called quadrilateral route. So in this lesson we learn the India